Have you ever wondered how the speed of light was measured for the very first time? Who pulled it off, and with what kind of tools? Today, the 8-Minute Everything team is diving right into that story. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't lose us. The man who managed to measure the speed of light back in 1849. Yeah, that guy was a total genius. His name was Hippolyte Fizeau, a French physicist who pulled off something that, up to that point, seemed completely impossible. But how exactly did he do it? Well, the secret was all in a very special toothed wheel. The teeth and the gaps between them were perfectly equal, and that perfect spacing, that was the real key to his success. To get started, Fizeau needed a steady source of light, could be a lamp, or even just a plain oil candle. Then he placed a semi-silvered mirror in front of the light. That mirror let part of the light through, and reflected the rest. Now, a few kilometers away, he placed a regular mirror, right in the light's path. And here's where the magic of the experiment really begins. The light passed through the semi-silvered mirror, slipped through the gaps in the wheel, traveled several kilometers to the second mirror, bounced back, passed through the wheel again, and finally reached the observer's eye. But that was just the beginning. Once Fizeau started spinning the wheel, something strange happened. The light began to flicker. Why? Because sometimes the returning light made it back through the gaps. But other times, it hit a tooth head-on and got blocked, and as he increased the speed of the spinning, there came a moment. A golden moment, when the light completely disappeared. That's when Fizeau knew, the returning beam was now hitting the next tooth of the wheel and getting totally blocked. Which meant the time it took for the light to make the round trip, was exactly in sync with the wheel's rotation, and here's the crazy part. He knew the number of teeth on the wheel, 720. He knew the rotation speed, 13 turns per second. He knew the distance between the mirrors, 8 kilometers one way, 16 kilometers round trip. With just some simple math, Fizeau came up with a number that was absolutely mind-blowing, 299,520 kilometers per second. And get this, that number is just slightly off from what we accept today as the speed of light. It's honestly hard to believe someone could figure that out with just a spinning wheel and a couple of mirrors. If you love this kind of stuff, I'd be super happy to have you join the 8-Minute Everything family.